Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, the Australian dollar once again has taken another step to the upside and holds within a 3-week range of around the base of 76.60 to around 77.90. Now, without a close above 95 on 77, then I do expect to see the market to retreat. The MACD is still negative, and the RSI not as strong as we've seen recently back in December. So therefore, I do anticipate the pullback to 76, 60, 65, and then eventually take out the support and go lower. A move and a close over 77.95 would leave me neutral. Well, with Joe Biden being sworn in as president, the US dollar was a little bit mixed, but pretty much unchanged. With the MACD still negative for the euro, I do anticipate that as long as we don't get a close above the 121.65 area, then I do anticipate that the dollar should eventually recover and the euro look back towards 120. With the ECB rate decision tonight, keep an eye on that also. The market has retreated further from the 104.1045 resistance for dollar yen and now pressuring the level of 103.45. Now, a close underneath there would give further scope to the downside, and the technicals aren't looking that supportive when it comes to the recovery, and therefore keep an eye because a break of under 103.45 would see a view down towards 102.50. Sterling still holding underneath the 137.45-65 area. Wait for the break if we are looking for a bull move. Otherwise, as we've seen previously, failing and dropping back to 135. We've seen another attempt at 142.40 to 60 area for sterling yen, failed. Keep an eye on the support because if it breaks under 141.20, then I do anticipate at least a 150-point drop. Gold has recovered, but not quite taking out that level of 1,878. If we do see a break above there, we'd give further scope to the upside to 1,900. Technicals, MACD not supporting, but the RSI is, so it's a little bit of a challenge for both of the bulls and bears. And let's see who comes out as a supportive move. I feel the market is topping. We should see a pullback from 78. Oil still a little bit apprehensive in taking the challenge higher, with 54 around that level holding. Does warrant a pullback towards 49 and reassess from there. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.